Hi, friends and neighbors. 2025 has started off with a big bang in real estate, and I want to share with you some of the things that we are experiencing in this happening market. Inventory is up 25%. That's a big deal. With that, there are some more homes for buyers to choose from. We have got sales up 15%. That means 15% more homes have accepted offers through January 25 than they did in January 24. That is a really big deal. And we are also seeing prices up 6% compared to last year. These are really interesting trends and good trends for the real estate market, and they are so different from what we have experienced in the last few years. Not many people understand that we have been in the slowest time in real estate, and we are going into the third calendar year of that. But right now, we are seeing a change. And that's what I want to help people understand. The biggest challenge that we are hearing about is that buyers are trying to figure out, how do we find the right home, get financing, and get an offer accepted in this high interest rate environment. Things had been really slow paced, but things are picking up in 2025. And to help all of the folks that we have been getting those questions from, we are having a home buyers workshop. And not just one, but we are hosting 2 home buyers workshops. The first one is on February 26th, and then the next one is on March 6th. So please take a peek at the newsletter and the post information that this video will be included with for the details. But we invite you and anybody that you might know who has these burning questions about the real estate market. How do you find a home in this market where there are more homes available, but the pace of the market is picking up? And we are seeing this pace pick up in the lower price points all the way through, anything under $700,000. And of course, it's by location. And it's for the homes that are priced at buyers' expectations. Those are the homes that are actually getting sales and getting accepted offers. So we want to help people navigate this very interesting market with higher interest rates, but an accelerated pace of sales. Please let us know if we can help. Please share this invitation with any friends, family, neighbors, or coworkers, and we can help you be successful as a buyer, whether it be a first-time buyer or someone who has been considering moving up. Many people have been sitting tight in their existing home for several years, waiting for these interest rates to go down. And I'm sorry to say, they are not going down very quickly, but the market is accelerating. So before prices appreciate any further, now is the time to buy. This is the time where there's more inventory, and this can be a time to get some negotiation, some price concessions, or credits for the right home. And we are here to help buyers do that. Please take a peek at the invitations for our homebuyer workshop on February 26th and on March 6th. We would be honored to have you join us. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to see you at the workshops, where we'll give more information about the market performance and how to find a home in this environment.